Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw funds from your Dawn Wallet application. Withdrawing funds from your Dawn Wallet application involves transferring your Dawn coins to an external wallet or exchange. Here's how to do it using Dawn Keeper. Launch the Dawn Keeper application on a device. Tap on your wallet balance on home screen to view your wallet details. Here, tap the Send button to initiate the withdrawal process. Now input the wallet address where you want to withdraw your funds. This could be an exchange wallet or another Dawn wallet. Double check the address to ensure it's correct as transactions are irreversible. Now, click on Continue button. After that, enter the amount of Dawn coins you wish to withdraw. Your available balance will be displayed for reference. Confirm the recipient address, the withdrawal amount, and any possible transaction fee. If everything looks correct, tap Continue to complete with the withdrawal. You may need to enter your wallet passcode or use biometric authentication. Once confirmed, the withdrawal will be proceed. You will receive a notification when the transaction is completed, and the funds will appear on recipient's wallet shortly. Make sure you are aware of any withdrawal fees and ensure the recipient wallet support Dawn coins to avoid any issues. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.